6 healthy pizza recipes to help you lose weight. Hi, and welcome back to Healthy Bites. Pizza is a universally loved comfort food, but it often gets a bad rap for being associated with overindulgence and weight gain. However, there is no need to completely ditch pizza if you're trying to lead a healthy lifestyle or shed some pounds. It's all about finding the right ingredients and recipes that support your weight loss goals, while still satisfying your taste buds. That's why we've come up with 6 amazing pizza recipes that are not only lower in calories, but also packed with nutritious ingredients. So don't worry about feeling guilty because these pizzas offer a healthier twist on the classic favorite. We've got you covered. Number 1. Pumpkin bread. 150 calories. Pumpkin is a versatile and nutritious ingredient that offers a multitude of health benefits, and when incorporated into healthy pizza recipes, it can elevate both the flavor and nutritional profile of the dish. This recipe provides a unique twist to traditional pizza, offering a combination of savory and sweet flavors, while keeping the calorie count at 150. Pumpkin is rich in vitamins A and C, fiber and antioxidants, making it an excellent addition to your diet. By enjoying this healthy pumpkin pizza, you not only satisfy your pizza cravings, but also benefit from the nutritional goodness of pumpkin. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need these following ingredients: 1 whole wheat pizza dough, 1/2 cup canned pumpkin puree, 1/4 cup low-fat ricotta cheese, 1/4 cup shredded part-skim mozzarella cheese, 1 cup assorted vegetables. Choose a variety of colorful vegetables like bell peppers, onions, mushrooms, and spinach for added fiber, vitamins, and minerals. 1 teaspoon dried oregano, salt and pepper to taste, and fresh basil leaves, optional, for garnishing and additional freshness. And here are the instructions for making a pumpkin bread. Number 2. Low-carb zucchini, 60 calories. If you're looking for a healthier alternative to traditional pizza that is low in carbs and calories, this zucchini pizza recipe is a fantastic option. By replacing the traditional pizza crust with zucchini, you can enjoy a lighter, low-carb version of this beloved dish. Zucchini is packed with essential nutrients including vitamins A and C, potassium, and fiber, making it a nutritional choice. With only 60 calories per serving, the zucchini pizza allows you to satisfy your pizza cravings while maintaining a healthy and balanced diet. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need these following ingredients: 2 medium zucchinis, 1/4 cup tomato sauce, 1/2 cup shredded part-skim mozzarella cheese, assorted vegetables. Select your favorite toppings such as bell peppers, onions, mushrooms, cherry tomatoes, or spinach. Fresh herbs. Add a sprinkle of fresh basil, oregano, or parsley for added freshness and aroma. Salt and pepper to taste. And here are the instructions for making a low-carb zucchini. Number 3. Broccoli crust, 70 calories. If you're looking for a nutritious and low-calorie alternative to traditional pizza crust, this broccoli crust pizza recipe is an excellent choice. By replacing the carb-heavy crust with a broccoli base, you can enjoy a guilt-free pizza packed with essential nutrients. Broccoli is a nutrient powerhouse, rich in vitamins A, C, and K, fiber, and antioxidants. With just 70 calories per serving, these pizzas satisfy your cravings while providing a healthy dose of vegetables. Indulge in the flavors of pizza without sacrificing your health goals with this delicious broccoli crust pizza. And here are the ingredients to do this following recipe: 3 cups broccoli florets, 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon dried oregano, salt and pepper to taste, tomato sauce, Choose a low sugar and sugar-free option, or make your own using fresh tomatoes. Assorted vegetables and toppings. Select your favorite toppings such as bell peppers, mushrooms, onions, cherry tomatoes, or spinach. Shredded parts skim mozzarella cheese. And here are the instructions for making a broccoli crust. Number 4. Cauliflower. Easy pizza recipe. 60 calories. If you're seeking a healthy and low-calorie alternative to traditional pizza, this cauliflower pizza recipe is a game changer. By using cauliflower as the base instead of regular pizza dough, you can enjoy a lighter and gluten-free pizza that's packed with essential nutrients. Cauliflower is rich in vitamin C and K, fiber, and antioxidants, making it a fantastic addition to a healthy diet. With just 60 calories per serving, this cauliflower pizza allows you to indulge in your favorite flavors while maintaining a balanced and nutritious meal. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need these following ingredients: 1 medium head of cauliflower, 1 large egg, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste. For tomato sauce, choose a low sugar or sugar-free option, or make your own using fresh tomatoes. Assorted vegetables and toppings. Select your favorite toppings such as bell peppers, mushrooms, onions, cherry tomatoes, or spinach. Shredded parts skim mozzarella cheese. And here are the instructions for making a cauliflower pizza. Number 5. Spinach pizza. 45 calories. This healthy pizza recipe featuring spinach is a fantastic way to incorporate nutrient-packed greens into your meal. Spinach is renowned for its high nutrient content, indulging vitamin A, C, and K, iron, and fiber. By adding spinach to your pizza, you not only enhance the flavor and texture, but also boosts its nutritional value. With just 45 calories per serving, this spinach pizza allows you to indulge in a guilt-free meal while enjoying the benefits of this leafy green vegetable. Savor the flavors and nourish your body with this delicious and nutritious spinach pizza recipe. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need these following ingredients: 1 whole wheat pizza dough, tomato sauce. Choose a low sugar or sugar-free option, or make your own using fresh tomatoes. 1 cup shredded parts skim mozzarella cheese, 2 cups fresh spinach leaves, assorted vegetables and toppings. Select your favorite toppings such as bell peppers, onions, mushrooms, cherry tomatoes, or olives, fresh basil leaves, salt and pepper to taste. And here are the instructions for making a spinach pizza. Number 6. Carrot homemade pizza. 90 calories. This homemade pizza recipe featuring carrots is a nutritious twist in traditional pizza, providing a unique flavor and texture while keeping the calorie count at 90 per serving. Carrots are a versatile vegetable known for their vibrant color and numerous health benefits. They are packed with vitamin A, fiber, and antioxidants, making them an excellent addition to a healthy diet. By incorporating carrots into your pizza, you not only enhance its nutritional profile, but also adds a touch of sweetness and a delightful crunch. Enjoy the flavors and health benefits of carrots with this delicious and wholesome homemade pizza. Here are the ingredients to do this meal: 1 whole wheat pizza dough, tomato sauce. Choose a low sugar or sugar-free option, or make your own using fresh tomatoes. 1 cup shredded parts skim mozzarella cheese, 1 cup grated carrots, assorted vegetables and toppings. Select your favorite toppings such as bell peppers, onions, mushrooms, cherry tomatoes, or spinach. Fresh herbs, add a sprinkle of fresh basil, oregano, or parsley for added freshness and aroma. Salt and pepper to taste. And here are the instructions for making a carrot homemade pizza. And that concludes our list of 6 healthy pizza recipes to help you lose weight. Do you happen to know any healthy pizza recipes for losing weight we haven't listed? Feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll be always in the loop when it comes to the most delicious and nutritious foods out there. That's all for now. Bye!